Hi, this is Devine with Fuchs Service North America. Today we're going to be walking around on a new Fuchs machine. As always, at Terex Fuchs, safety is job number one. This is not meant to be a substitute for your operator's manual. Please read it and understand the content. Let's get started. Hey, this is Mark. He's going to be helping us with our machine walk around today. Mark's going to be checking the overall condition of the glass, mirrors, wiper arm, physical condition of the lights, next we're working off to the boom base, checking the condition of the pins, grease lines, cylinder rods, cylinder body, and working our way up to the stick cylinders, the stick pin, the work light, and down the stick to the attachment. I'm looking on the ground for leaks, checking the overall physical condition of the grapple, checking my grapple connector, moving on to my hydraulic fittings, my hoses, and finally looking up the stick to check the condition of the piping. I'm going to check our outrigger pins, cylinders, hydraulics, optional access ladder, outrigger pocket, move down to the wheel lugs, and check the overall tire condition. Moving on to the center section of the machine, Mark's inspecting the lift carriage grease lines, lift carriage cylinder, moving down to the slew gear grease line, inspecting the steering axle, the drive line, rear axle, and stopping at the oscillating axle cylinder. Transitioning to the rear of the machine, Mark's going to check the outrigger pocket, check the rear lights, camera, tin work, and the exhaust pipe. Moving down to the outrigger pins, inspecting the hydraulic connections and the cylinders. Okay guys, up until this point we've done the front of the machine, the loading equipment, and the left-hand side of the machine. Now we're going to do the right-hand side of the machine. Mark's going to continue to show you what to do. Now we're going to check the right side, rear outrigger, pad and pocket, ladder, wheel lugs, overall tire condition, the cooler screens, open the cooler deck, ensure the coolers are clear, move on to our slew ring grease lines, central distribution grease line, rear axle, drive line, steering axle. Moving up to our tin work, mirror condition, outrigger pocket, tire condition, now it's time to check the fluids on your Fuchs machine. To do this, you're going to open the access door, ensure it is locked in place. Pull out the handrail, fold down the ladder, Maintain 3 points of contact. At Terex Fuchs, zero harm is our goal. As soon as you enter into the service deck, to the right-hand side of the door, you'll find a fuel fill cap, fuel water separator, and the depth fill cap. Once I've ascended to the service deck, I'm looking at the main valve, the rotary joint, the slew drive, following the hydraulic circuitry up the top of the boom, checking for any leaks or sprays, secondary filtration condition, then traveling back down to the boom. Now for the air filter, make sure you give the dust ejector a good squeeze to purge any contaminants. To remove the air filter, release your retaining clips, remove the outer cover, pull out the outer air filter, inspect for damage or buildup, inspect the air box, reassemble in reverse order. Now we're going to check the engine compartment. We're going to open the hood, set our prop bar, inspect the engine for any leaks or signs of weeping. Look to the right rear of the engine to check your hydraulic level, which is visible through a sight glass. Pull the dipstick to check your engine oil. From there, we're going to check the top and rear of the cabin lift linkage and carriage, lift cylinder, the carriage grease lines, distribution blocks, and the grease tub. Hey guys, thanks for watching. You've just completed your walk around. Now let's get this machine started. Thank you for investing in 131 years of product innovation, and remember, safety first, zero harm.